Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Track the Enigmatic Pages World Quest and equip a strong AoE character plus utility support. You should carry characters who trigger easy elemental reactions to speed puzzles. Once ready, travel to the marked site and interact with the first page node. This starts the sequence and spawns clues. Make sure to keep an eye on the quest timer and nearby teleports so you can reposition quickly for the next page without wasting time. You now focus on the middle, where puzzles chain together and require careful execution. Read each clue, match symbols to environmental objects or enemy types, then act on the closest matching element. Once done, use mobility, dashes, mounts, teleports to reach the next node. Delays break rhythm. Make sure to use elemental combos to reveal concealed pages or disarm wards, and break any interactive props in the order indicated, so the sequence advances without resetting. You reach the end by interacting with the final page and confirming the sequence in the quest UI. Once done, collect rewards and inspect inventory for fragments or keys needed for follow-up tasks. Make sure to report completion to any NPC if the quest requires it. If the sequence breaks or pages fail to spawn, reload the area or teleport away and back. If that fails, abandon and retake the quest to reset the encounter. This usually fixes spawn or trigger issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.